So, like Bhavita ma'am said, they really enjoyed this. They probably enjoyed this more because more of fingers were being used and a lot of colors. So it was good. They made a whole lot of other shapes also, just for fun.
Okay.
But it was something which I think everybody enjoyed. So it was a good activity. Them like that. So they could kind of, just a visual quiz. I enjoyed. I think I enjoyed more than them.
And hands-on, anything which is hands-on, it's really challenged them. And
Yes.
it's not only what we are teaching them, unknowingly they learn many things. It's not only the block making or whatever the task which has been given, but they learn to explore. That exploration thing is great.
Also, because these kids have very small parts, now this is also teaching them sense of responsibility. Opening it carefully, and then after we are done, packing it up again carefully and putting each piece together. So I think the sense of responsibility and taking care of their things is also, we are also inculcating that. So I think that's also a very positive thing that is coming out of it.
The best part about this program for the teacher is this teaching manual.
Okay.
This I find it very helpful. It not just talks about making the shapes or closing your book and then make the shape on table, but it also tells you, which areas the activity is focusing. It helps to a teacher to explain to the children what they are looking forward to in that particular class. So, thank you for this.
When my Shin program was planned, so it was a holiday by chance. So that day we could not do it. So in the evening I was talking to a parent, and the parent said that, ma'am, I hope this Shin program will be covered in covered some other day, because kids really look forward to it and they're ready with their kits and books, and please don't, please try to adjust it some other day.
Initially the children were not very very prepared as to what is to be done with the kit that has been given to them, but then when they got to know about it, they were always so excited for this Shin program class, and they always looked forward to this class. And I think it has been like a really good change for them also. So they've really enjoyed all of these classes.
One thing I would say, out of excitement or the newness of the session, I'm sure they've been practicing apart from the online sessions as well. And that has improved their, accuracy when they're practicing with us. Here, since the kit is with kids, so as per their interest in this particular session, they would have practiced it more. More so for the fact, I'll be the first one to finish it. So that aspect also can be taken into account.